Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem, find the triplets with sums equal to 0. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given an array. For example, this is the given array. 1 minute, let me make it proper. Okay, so this is the given array. Okay, now in this array we need to find 3 elements whose sum would be 0. So for example, let's say 0, minus 1 and 1. Okay, now if I add them, 0 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, plus. Now basically 0 plus 1 is 1 itself, plus minus 1. This would be 1 minus 1 and it would be equal to 0. So the combination of 0, minus 1, 1, which is a triplet, 3 values, is equal to 0. So we would be given an array and we need to find 3 values whose sum would be equal to 0. This is the question. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. Okay. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty, choose basic. Okay. Then find the problem. Find triplets with 0 sum. Find triplets with 0 sum. Once you find the problem, click on solve. Okay. Let's solve the question now. Here is the question. Given an array ARR of n integers, check whether it contains a triplet that sums up to 0. Okay, so this is the question and we need to solve it over here. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, 1 minute, let me solve it. Enter. Okay, first I am sorting the array so that it becomes easy for me to find the elements. Okay, then for, applying the for loop. Okay, range. Okay, n minus 2. Okay, colon, enter. Now I am defining 2 positions. Okay, I plus 1. Okay, and then 1 is the last position, n minus 1. Okay, enter. Now I am comparing. Okay, while L is less than R. Okay, till the end, till if I have not reached the end, then I need to check, right? Current sum equal to AI. Okay, plus AL plus AR. Okay, so this is the sum. Okay, now if, okay, now here comes the if condition. If the current sum is equal to 0, that means I found the triplets, right? Current sum is equal to 0. Then what? Then return 1. I found the triplets. Else, 1 minute, else what? Else, let's add one more condition. If the current sum is less than 0, then what? Then you can just move ahead, right? You need to move to another element because that is not correct, the value that you have considered. Else, okay, else, if this is also not true, then R equal to minus equal to 1. Even if you are increasing the value of L and you are not finding the solution, that means the last value is not correct for it, right? So you start moving forward. Okay, 1 minute, here should be an equal to. Okay, then finally enter. Else, if nothing is working, then what? Then I just need to return with 0, right? So return with 0, that means no triplet is found. Now I would click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. So let's wait. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's wait. It's taking some time. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem. Find triplets whose sum is 0. I hope this problem was enjoyable and you guys liked the video. If you guys have liked the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.